Welcome to English class. Hello students, this is lesson number 1 for ESL students for beginners. In today's lesson, you will learn how to introduce yourself as well as how to ask nationality and how to ask someone's age. For example, I am Sufyan Iqbal. In this sentence, Sufyan is my first name and Iqbal is my last name. For example, what is your name? Tell me your name. Answer, I am. In this blank, you have to write your name. Well done. What is his name? We use his for men and boys. For example, his name is David Ron. As I told you before, we use his for men and boys. David is first name and Ron is his last name. Next question. What is her name? We use her for girls and women. For example, her name is Lisa Judy. Lisa is her first name and Judy is her last name. Next question. How old are you? If you want to ask someone's age, you should use this phrase. Repeat after me. How old are you? For example, I am 24 years old. 24 is my age. I am 24 years old. More examples. How old is he? That's mean this boy. For example, he is 9 years old. Next question. How old is she? We use she for women and girls. She is 25 years old. Next question. Where are you from? For example, I am from Pakistan. Look at these more examples. She is from China. She is Chinese. He is from Spain. He is Spanish. Now tell me, where are you from? Fill in this blank. Well done. Personal information form. Write your first name, your last name, your nationality, your age, and your phone number. Remember one thing, you don't need to write your actual phone number because this is just for a test. Now, let's move on to part 2. Part 2. Play game and practice your English. Sentence number 1. Which is right? What is your name? Or what are your name? Time starts now. The correct is what is your name? Sentence number 2. Which is right? How old is you? Or how old are you? Your time starts now. The right is how old are you? Sentence number 3. Which is right? Where is you from or where are you from? The right is where are you from? Sentence number 4. What are your phone number or what is your phone number? Choose the right one. The correct sentence is, what is your phone number? I hope you like this lesson. See you in the next video. Until watch this video and learn English vocabulary with pictures. Take care.